Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your columns are correct: shear rate, viscosity, and stress. Once done, convert all units to a consistent system like PA-S and S so fits and labels are meaningful. Now open Origin and import the file to a worksheet using single ASCII or Excel import. Make sure headers map to columns. You should see clean numeric columns, if not, clean non-numeric characters. This immediate, standardized setup prevents errors downstream. You now select shear rate as X and viscosity as Y, then choose a line or scatter plot to visualize raw behavior. Next, run analysis fitting nonlinear curve fit and pick an appropriate model like Power Law or Caro. These capture shear thinning. Make sure to set initial guesses and parameter bounds. Good guesses speed convergence. Once the fit completes, show parameter values and confidence intervals on the graph. If residuals look structured, try different weighting or model forms. You finish by polishing the graph. Set shear rate to a log scale if it spans decades, add units to axis labels and tidy tick marks. Include error bars and a legend, annotate fit equations, then export high-resolution TIFF or PDF at 300 dpi for publication. If the fit fails or is unstable, inspect for outliers, try transforming X to log, or refine initial parameter guesses. Rerun with different weighting. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.